This is a video for the 2015 up to I guess 2020 F150s that has a squeaky driver's door handle. I think I found the fix for it. Simple and easy. All you're gonna need is some silicone spray. What you want to do is you want to pop this trim piece off. There is a way to pop this off, and you want to do it from the right hand side. Do not do it from the left hand side because it's got this tab. You have 5 clips that pop into this piece here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 on the back of there. Now when this is on there, there is a little spot right here. There is a little detent where you can put a pry tool in there, and what you want to do is you want to pop off this right hand side. Pop it off this way. It hinges this way, and that little clip stays behind there. Don't pry it off from the left, pry it off from the right. Stick your little tool up in there and pop this off. Now to pop it off, make sure you use a plastic pry tool so you don't scratch up your trim piece or your bottom piece or anything like that. Don't use a screwdriver or metal. Stick that up in there and pop that off. Here's a little, it's kind of hard to see, but there is a little spot right there, right where my fingernail is. Pry tool in there and pop it off. This whole piece will pop off. Take it off. Now, what you want to do is you have 5 rivets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where your squeak is coming from. It's not coming from this piece at all. Not coming from that. I'm gonna get you some silicone spray. Spray behind each one and the front of each one. Spray some down in here, let it drip down behind that. Same thing here. Behind here, let it drip down. Behind here, let it drip down. Then you want to spray the face of each one. Damn ants are tearing me up. Spray behind there, let it go behind there, put it around there. Spray behind here, let it go behind, and then put it on the front of each rivet. Wipe it off with a rag. As you can see, there's no more squeaks. This piece was real squeaky. I wish I would have took a picture before, or a video before I did this, but I didn't know it was going to work. I'm making a video because it did work, but I wish I could have showed you before. It was squeaking. This whole piece is what squeaks, and what's squeaking is these rivets, these plastic rivets. Spray some silicone spray behind there, wipe it off with a rag, and pop it back on. Let me know how it works for you. Take care.